single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna do another makeup tutorial. This is really easy for those beginners that just subscribe in my channel, and for those of you that are looking for an easy and affordable makeup. Don't go any further, you've got the right video, because like everyone else, I started from the beginning. I really don't like putting makeup because it takes a lot of effort, and I just started learning them on my graduation in college. No more further ado, no more further chatting, let's get started. So I just bought the new Sephora What a Gem palette. Let's open this baby up. So we have here again 10 different palettes. Okay, and it has this film so it doesn't smudge the other ones. Okay, let's get started with the prep. So I am first going to use foundation with the Beauty Blender. This is Maybelline Fit Me 220. to bring you closer. So let's recap. So mascara, eyeshadow, start with the inner outer eye and then work on your inner eye and then put a little bit of shimmer. Then you've got the contour and around your forehead. And then you have the blush on and then highlighter. Highlighter here, and highlighter here. And voila, that's it. So if you have any other comments or you want me to try, comment down below and I'll see if I can buy that product and then try it out for you. So I only do simple makeups here. It only lasts for less than 10 minutes. So if you're in a hurry or if you just want something that is very affordable and efficient, you don't have to do extra effort to put on your makeup. Yeah, click the subscribe button and watch for my other makeup tutorials. So I'm a beginner, I'm not a professional, and this is how I do my makeup. It's okay for me, it's pretty decent. I don't have to put too much makeup on. And yeah, so there you have it, guys. See you in my next video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.